Well, I promised I was not going to speak, but I'll make a close mark like everybody. I want to remind the NBA that I was the president of the NBA. Alawa Akabashoron was his name during my days at the University of Lagos. He organized the first and I think the most successful strike of lawyers in this country. Reason was that the military regime was disobeying court orders. Just one court order led to that strike. Today, the regime that is in power obeys court orders that favors it and disobeys court orders that are not in favor of the government. I do hope that the NBA will wear the toga of resilience and resistance once again in ensuring, in particular, a disobedience of a particular court order, which is the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu, who is in detention against the judgment of the Court of Appeal. I do not see how you administer justice when the Court of Appeal says somebody has no case and the same Court of Appeal comes and states the execution of justice. We have plenty of legal documents in place, but we do not have justice. I want to say one final thing, that lawyers owe us a duty to help us create a brand new constitution. You cannot amend what is in place now. It was a military constitution. I disagree with my colleague who said we signed that document, the 1999 constitution. That's the most fraudulent document in existence in this country. And you know what you lawyers say? You can't build something on nothing. Finally, to Nigerians, if you don't change the players, you can't win the game. Don't vote for the old, tired, irresponsible politicians who put you in the terrible condition that you're in.